naruh barang-barang aku di sana. Ini titip ke adek aku dan sekarang aku menjalan ke toilet dulu sambil ngeliat sekitar aku ada apa aja.
If you are unsure whether the item you have is prohibited, please declare it so that the immigration or customs officers may advise
And
you.
she's suffering. Like, her ears are hurting right now. Oh, so pretty. Okay guys, so now we're going to the jewel channel. Let's go! Oh my god. It's still not on yet, but yeah, let's wait. Oh my god guys, that's Muji. Wow, I'm actually a jewel. Ya, sekarang kita mau makan dulu. So I'm ordering nasi lemak and this is mie rebus for my brother. This sambal, this is like chili sauce. It's so good. It's so Oh my god, that's viral LED screen. Oh. Wow, it's bigger than I thought. Jadi aku udah check-in hotel dan aku udah naruh barang-barang di hotel dan aku udah ganti baju jadi dress ini dan sekarang aku mau keluar. Oke guys, jadi
Kita lagi ada di Sibling Square. Di sini yang terkenal adalah salted egg chicken rice-nya.
wow, so the first order just arrived. What? Okay guys, so this is the salted egg chicken rice. Okay guys. Let's try it. I didn't expect to be this good. Ten out of 10. Guys, it's so cloudy and rainy right now, so I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Now we're going to 7-Eleven. Guys, $2. This is so expensive. Look at this. Candy challenge. You know the solid candy? Yeah, this is the solid candy. Okay guys, now we're going to the Alheim. Okay guys, we're home and ini dia nasi biryani yang tadi kita beli. Wow, harganya $7,5. Hai guys, jadi sekarang aku udah nyampe di hotel dan that's all for today karena ada aku sakit. So, ya aku gak kemana-mana lagi and see you for tomorrow. Bye-bye!